OPFI Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Oppfi Incorporated. It's a solid bullish trend that leads from this daily chart. And I want to show you my drawings because I already have them right here for you. And if you can't see, we kept breaking these highs that I have already marked out beforehand. And it's not like I'm like surprised, because obviously I was expecting it. But like even in this case right now, this is the 1 hour chart. We have this cool little demand zone. The only thing that will make me move forward is if it actually comes down. And I genuinely don't think it's going to come down that much. But as long as I see like a proper 15-minute double break and all my rules are met, then and only then I'm going to take things up. Other than that, everything else is noise. And therefore I would not force anything. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. See you in the next one.